How to fix fail to download or apply critical settings on Roblox. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix this error message right here on Roblox. So the very first thing you want to do here is simply go ahead and open up your task manager. You can do that by right-clicking on your taskbar and opening up Task Manager. Once your task manager opens up, you want to go to the search bar at the top and simply search for Roblox. And if there is anything going on with anything related to Roblox, you need to go ahead and end that process. So what you need to do is just right click on it, just like this, and then you can find the end task button. Do that for any of the Roblox related applications. Once you have done that, you need to go ahead and open your run dialog box and then simply type in percent and then local app data percent. Go ahead and hit OK or enter. Once you open this up, you need to find the Roblox folder over here. So go ahead and find Roblox, open it up, and then you can find the versions of Roblox. Open that up again. And all you have to do is delete all of these files here. Just go ahead and tap on the delete button and the versions will be deleted. So once that is done, what you need to do is just close everything out here and open up your command prompt. So just go ahead and type cmd and run it as administrator. Click on yes, and it will open it up. Now you need to type in a few commands over here. So the first one is int space IP reset, hit enter. And if you are not able to send this, it's all right. So what you need to do is simply, you need to correct this a bit. So what you need to do is type in nate sh int IP reset, hit enter. That will reset all of your previous IP. Then again, type in net sh winsock reset, hit enter. Now the next one is ipconfig, and then you need space / release. Then you need to do the same thing, but instead of release, you need to do renew. And then finally, what you need to do is do ipconfig space / flush DNS. Hit enter. Now, once everything is done, you need to go close everything out and go to your web browser, and then simply search for Roblox download and download the Roblox application over here. Click on download Roblox, download the installation file and set it up, and you'll be good to go. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. Hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one.